Hello, I'm Stacy Paulson. I'm a wife, mother of 6 amazing kids. I'm also an entrepreneur and an essential oils guru. So, we're going to be talking about blood sugar levels and how they can be supported through essential oils. Some of you may have experiences with high blood sugar or low blood sugar. Some of you might have diabetes or hypothyroid or hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia, or it's too high or too low, or you might be experiencing weight gain or having trouble losing weight. There's lots of different reasons that we want to have to support our bodies in maintaining a blood sugar level that is optimal for our bodies. And so essential oils can help support our bodies in doing that. And some of the most common oils that are used to support our blood sugar levels are coriander, cinnamon, and I love the smell of cinnamon, and then cassia, which is very similar to cinnamon. It smells very similar and has very similar properties. And so how you use these oils and what research has shown to be most effective is to use them internally. And so if you like the taste of them, which I love the taste of cinnamon and cassia, not so fond of the coriander, but you can put some in water and just drink it, a couple of drops, a couple times a day. Or you could put them in veggie caps. You can buy little empty capsules where you take off the lid and you just put a couple of drops in there and take it that way. Now, just research as far as cinnamon and some other oils. One research study that I looked up was in 2013, and it said that an evaluation of cinnamon leaf essential oil found that all tested doses of cinnamon essential oil significantly lowered fasting blood glucose and fructosamine. And the researchers pointed to pancreatic support as the likely mechanism for those benefits that we receive. Now, I don't want to suggest that essential oils lower or raise our blood sugar levels, but what they do is they help support the body to function optimally. And so cinnamon is really good at supporting the pancreas, and coriander, and also cassia, and then coriander is really great at supporting the liver. And both of those organs play a role in our blood sugar levels. And so just knowing that those are some options that you have for supporting that, and you might have different reasons for wanting to support your blood sugar levels, whether that's you've had issues with it in the past, or maybe you're struggling with weight and you want to be able to support that. Another thing with your blood sugar levels is often if you have these peaks and these drops, that it can affect your energy levels, your mental clarity, your motivation. Oftentimes people will gain weight and it's a struggle for you to be able to get that off and to feel well and whole enough to be able to exercise, because exercise is another great support for proper blood sugar levels. But oftentimes it's hard to exercise if you're not feeling well. And so essential oils can play a part in that as well, whether it's energy. So one of my favorite is peppermint essential oil. And this is just a really great way to support your energy levels. And you can breathe it in, you can diffuse it, you can take a drop under your tongue. I use it before I go work out. If you're feeling a lack of motivation to exercise, then Motivate is a great blend that I discovered is phenomenal. You can get in a roller bottle or in the oils, and I will just put it on my wrist probably like 10-15 minutes before I plan to exercise, and it just puts me in that good mental state of I want to do that. And so it's really good for motivation. And the other thing is to think about if there's parts of your body that might need some additional support if you're trying to exercise. And for instance, I always have some knee issues. So before I exercise, I always put oils on. And one of my favorite is the Deep Blue Rub. And so there's a bottle it's a blend of oils that they call Deep Blue, and they put it in this lotion form. So it's really convenient for athletes and all of us to be able to just put it on those parts either prior to exercising or after exercising, or even just doing things that might be strenuous to your joints or your muscles. And so those are some helpful tips I think that a lot of people that I know have found beneficial to supporting their blood sugar levels, and for different reasons you might have. But if you have any questions, comments, we have some additional links at the bottom of this video. You're welcome to click on that, and you're welcome to reach out to me with any questions, comments, and would love to support you in your essential oil use.